Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make the perfect macaroni and cheese recipe. This dish is delicious and to be honest you won't want to eat it any other way. I use a lot of cheese and spinach which gives it a wonderful creamy flavour. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now I start by placing 250 grams of macaroni pasta in a saucepan. I'm going to cover it with boiling water, season well with salt and cook as to the instructions on the packet. This is normally about 7 to 8 minutes. Now in a separate saucepan while the pasta is cooking, I'm going to add 55 grams of unsalted butter and melt over a gentle heat. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to add 55 grams of plain flour and stir to make a roux. We then cook that gently for about 2 minutes just to cook off the flavour of the flour. To the roux then we're going to add 600 millilitres of milk a little at a time, whisking into the roux and cook for a further 10 minutes until the sauce thickens. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. Now to the sauce, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg and we'll stir well. So once the sauce is thickened, I'm going to add 150 grams of mature cheddar cheese and 40 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. I'll stir these through until the cheese is melted and the sauce is thick. Now I'm going to add 200 grams of baby spinach leaves and season with salt and pepper. Once the pasta is cooked and the sauce is ready, take an oven-proof dish and pour in the pasta and top with the sauce. Stir well until all the pasta is covered in the sauce and the top with more grated Parmesan and some more cheddar cheese. Now we're going to place under a preheated grill and allow that to brown for about 5 minutes. Once the cheese is browned and crusty, it's time to serve. This dish needs nothing with it except for some garlic bread. I've left a link in the comments below for my recipe for garlic and herb bread. Now folks, again, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again in my further videos.